everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete monday.com account. So if you also want to delete monday.com account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type monday.com, press enter. Now you can see over here monday.com is opening. Once monday.com is opened, what you have to do is make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged into your account, log into your account first. Now, in order to delete your account, you can see your profile icon right over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now, this kind of box will pop up. You can see several options over here. Under the account option, you can see the option for administration. All you have to do is click on it. Now, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at the left, you can see several options over here. Here you can see the option for billing. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of interface will be opened. Scroll down. In the contact support box, you can see the option for contact support and close my account. All you have to do is click on the close my account option. Now you can see over here this kind of box will pop up. All you have to do is click on the option close account. But keep in mind that if you close your account, you and your team will not be able to access any of your work and boards. So proceed to delete your account. Click on the close account button. After this, your account for monday.com will be closed. So that is how you delete monday.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.